Right guys, back with a quick video. Me and Danielle off to Dubs in the Woods for a night. First night in the van, sleeping on the floor. Gonna be uncomfy, but we'll see what it's all about. We'll show you a bit when we're in the woods. Sweet.
So, where are we off to?
Right, we're off to an event, our first event, called Dubs in the Woods, or Pub in the Woods, at Middlewall Track Farm. I believe there's 40 vans in attendance, and there's some entertainment, pizza. I love pizza. So, pizza and a few ciders it is. We're just on the way there now. Hopefully there might be a few nice fans as well. Yeah, we'll see when we're there. That was a night to remember. Me and Danielle absolutely froze. Told us to get a little fan heater. We'll run it off the power pack. Oh, listen, we'll be fine, she says. Divering. As you see, we just slept on an airbed. It was cold for sure. So it's time to go and get a bacon roll, wrap it up, and we'll be off. So yeah, see you on the next event.